How to change recovery email in Gmail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Gmail application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for manage your Google account. Tap on it and then scroll through and you will see the option for security. Tap on that and now scroll down and you will see the recovery email option. Tap on that. You will now be required to enter your password for verification. So go ahead and enter your email ID password and then tap on the edit button you see there beside your recovery email. Now, go ahead and delete the existing email and then add in the new recovery email that you want and then tap on the verify button. You will then receive the verification code in the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and copy the verification code and paste it in the text box here and then tap on the verify option you see there. And with this, as you can see, your recovery email has been changed successfully. So this is how you can change recovery email in Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.